Hey folks! Today, I'm super excited to share something refreshing and zesty with you. Yes, you guessed it. We're diving into the world of lemonades. But not just any lemonade. We're globetrotting to discover some of the top lemonade recipes from around the globe. So grab your pitcher because it's time to squeeze the day. First stop, the classic American lemonade. It's simple, sweet, and oh so refreshing. You'll need just 3 ingredients: fresh lemons, sugar, and water. Mix, chill, and serve. It's the golden standard by which all other lemonades are judged. But why stop there? Next, we jet off to India, where they take their lemonade to the next level with a spicy twist called Numi P. This isn't your average lemonade. It's a vibrant mix of lemon juice, salt, sugar, water, and a pinch of roasted cumin. Some even like to sprinkle a bit of black salt to really bring out those flavors. It's tangy, it's salty, it's absolutely thrilling. Now let's swing by Egypt, where a popular beverage called Lemonada steals the show. This isn't just any lemonade. It's blended with mint and lots of ice, creating a frothy, icy concoction that's perfect for those scorching Egyptian afternoons. The mint adds a refreshing kick that makes it truly unforgettable. And just when you thought you've tried it all, let's take a flight to Brazil for a taste of Lemonada Suica. The twist here, they blend the whole lemon with sugar and ice, making a frothy, zest-filled drink that packs a punch and keeps you begging for more. But we can't talk about global lemonades without a nod to Italy's Lemoncello. Okay, it's not exactly a lemonade, but this lemon liqueur is crafted with lemon zest, water, sugar, and alcohol, served chilled as a delightful after-dinner digestivo. Now that's a lemony kick if I've ever had one. So there you have it. Lemonade isn't just a simple drink. It's a world tour in a glass. Whether you like it sweet, spicy, or with a bit of alcoholic zing, there's a lemonade out there just for you. I hope you try mixing up one of these global favorites. And remember, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade, or better yet, make an international lemonade. Cheers, and see you in the next video.